Hello everyone, today I'll teach you how to import the cut file in CAD Marker. Click the file, click here, and this. Find the cut file and open it. Select the data unit according to the natural situation, and OK. After opening the file, check whether the total and the length, width are the same as the actual one. If the width and the length are different from the actual one, we can open. Modify its unit here and adjust it according to the actual situation until the width and the length are the same as the actual data. And OK.